Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I confidently call the best crown vanity available right now. The small vanity desk from Cyclizio. If you're on the hunt for a sleek, modern, and functional vanity that elevates your makeup routine, this piece could be exactly what you need. Right off the bat, this vanity desk stands out with its built-in LED mirror lighting system. Forget the hassle of fiddling with traditional bulbs or replacing them. Here, the mirror features a stylish LED setup that's easy to operate and safer to use. With just a simple tap on the switch, you can toggle between 3 different lighting modes: white, warm yellow, and cool white. Holding the switch lets you adjust the brightness, so you get perfect lighting tailored to your needs, whether it's a natural daylight look or a soft evening glow. This lighting versatility makes it ideal for flawless makeup application every time. Storage has clearly been thought through in this design. The vanity includes 2 spacious drawers that provide plenty of room for your makeup, brushes, and other beauty essentials. On top of that, the tabletop has 7 open compartments that keep your most frequently used items within easy reach. A thoughtful addition is the dedicated hairdryer holder, which helps you keep your styling tools organized and off the counter, maximizing your workspace. One of the smartest features is the integrated power strip. This built-in outlet lets you plug in devices like your hairdryer, nail machine, or even charge your phone right at your vanity. It's a major convenience booster and helps reduce the clutter of extension cords around your space. The power strip placement is flexible, too, as you can install it on either the left or right side based on your preference, giving you customization options for your setup. When it comes to size, this vanity is compact yet functional, measuring 31.5 inches wide, 15.7 inches deep, and 55.1 inches high. Its white finish and metal frame add a modern aesthetic that can seamlessly blend with various bedroom or dressing room decor styles. Despite its small footprint, it offers excellent usability without feeling cramped. Assembly is designed to be straightforward. All the parts are clearly labeled, and the detailed instructions guide you step by step through the process. Although it's doable solo, it's recommended to have 2 people for a quicker and smoother setup. All necessary hardware is included, so no need to worry about additional tools or accessories. Maintenance is simple as well. The manufacturer suggests cleaning the vanity with a soft, dry cloth and avoiding direct sunlight to keep it looking fresh and to preserve the materials. This helps ensure your vanity stays in great condition over time. Overall, the small vanity desk from Cyclizio is a practical and stylish addition for anyone wanting an efficient beauty station. With smart lighting, ample storage, and convenient power options, all wrapped in a compact, modern design. If you're looking for the best crown vanity to upgrade your daily routine, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next one.